Friends, I am Professor Shashikala Jadhav. Very warm welcome to our channel English Guru. My dear student, in last videos we have discussed about explanation of the poem, poetic appreciation of the poem Father Returning Home written by Dilip Chitre. In present video we are going to discuss about the figure of speech in the poem Father Returning Home. Let's see. Activities on figure of speech will be asked for 2 marks in your board exam. Activities like name and explain the figure of speech in the following. Find out an example of figure of speech. Pick out 2 examples of given figure of speech. Identify and write the lines from the poem which express the following figure of speech. Student, one of these activities you will be asked for your board exam. Let's see figure of speech in the given poem Father Returning Home. My father travels on the late evening train. Here student alliteration figure of speech occur. The consonant sound t is repeated pleasingly. Standing among the silent commuters in the yellow light, suburb slide past his unseen eyes. Here student alliteration figure of speech occur because the consonant sound s is repeated pleasingly. Next line. Stained with mud and his bag stuffed with books. Here alliteration figure of speech occur. The consonant sound s is repeated pleasingly. Next line. Fade homeward through the humid monsoon night. Here student transferred epithet occur because the weather is humid, not the night. The epithet humid is transferred from weather to night. So here is transferred epithet. Epithet means adjective. In Marathi, Visheshan. Now I can see him getting off the train like a word drop from a long sentence. In this line, simile figure of speech occur because the action of father getting off the train is directly compared with word drop from the sentence. Next line. He hurries across the length of the grey platform. Here student metaphor figure of speech occur because the grey platform is indirectly compared with old age or dullness. Next line. Home again I see him drinking weak tea. Here student also transferred epithet figure of speech occur. The adjective weak transferred from person to tea. Next line. Eating a stale chapati, reading a book. Here synecdoche figure of speech occur because stale chapati stands for non-nourishing food or diet. Here part symbolizes the whole, so is that food. So here is synecdoche figure of speech occur. Next line. The cold water running over his brown hands. Here personified figure of speech occur. The water is given the human quality of run or to run. Next line. Listening to the static on the radio, dreaming. Here onomatopoeia figure of speech occur. The word static express sound. जेव्हा एखाद्या लाईनमध्ये ध्वनिदर्शक शब्द आलेला असतो त्यावेळेस त्या ठिकाणी ओनोमॅटोपोइया हा फिगर ऑफ स्पीच असतो. Thank you for watching our video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel to get more notification about our upcoming videos. Thank you. Thanks again.